testing, hello. So basically, okay, the deal is that my phone is like really old. I mean, I'm recording with it right now, so I can't show it off. It's a very old, it's like a decade old, right? And because of that, a lot of the faculties, just like a human being, start wearing down, right? The audio port is kind of fucked up. The battery's fucked up. I can only really charge it at like a certain angle. I use the aux cable to listen to music while I'm driving, but it wears down my phone's battery. Like a lot, it's on like YouTube too, so like I don't pay for no like Spotify fucking premium, or I don't pay for like streaming services of any kind, right? So I gotta deal with like ads and all that stuff. I thought I could just make some little device, right? Some little device I could just slap right on there that is able to play my music, and I don't have to worry about using my phone, I don't have to worry about any of this other shit, right? So that's exactly what I did. I made this, right, with the ESP. I know the wiring's really fucked up. I don't want to hear it in the comments, right? But this is a ESP32 with a serial MP3 player right there. It's not a really complicated thing. It has a few buttons for control, like switching songs and things like that. The software is basically just like taking the button inputs for switching the songs or pausing or whatever. I put like a little potentiometer here for volume control, but I couldn't get it working in time, so I thought, I might as well just show it off now. So I'm gonna test it out, see if it works, right? This is a cool little like embedded thing I'm doing, different from like my usual stuff, because I don't usually like record stuff like in reality, right? This is like a real physical thing. It's like writing software is like a bunch of abstract things no one can really comprehend unless they actually like know what it is. Like no one knows what like a kernel or what a fucking file system is, right? You're basically just like writing rules for a computer to do shit. But this is like a physical thing you could show off, right? So that's kind of cool. This is a 2010 Honda Accord. I'm gonna go to the store and get water right now. I'm gonna see if this works, so let's plug it in, right? How am I gonna record this? Hold on. Alright, so it's plugged in on this side for the aux cable. Now I'm gonna plug it in terms of power. Let's see what happens. Hear that? And I didn't actually expect it to work. Let me turn it down a little bit. But you see a little light going on in the player, see that? Playing music purely just with the breadboard, connecting through the cigarette lighter charger thing. I don't know, it's before my time. The USB-C plugged in, right? So there's a few features on here, right? So you could click this one to pause it. Oops. So pause the music, click it again, unpause it, click next song, previous song, right? So you could do this. This is what the fuck is it called? I think the guy's name is Alan
Hawkshaw.
Gotta actually turn the car on, my bad. Let's go for a little drive, right? I can't show, I'll censor it, but I can't show the streets obviously, but okay, let me cut the video here and make sure I actually don't fucking crash and die. Alright, I'm back from the store. I was just gonna record me starting up the car again with a different song I got saved on there, on the little SD card that's on the MP3 player. But I think someone just tried to fucking scam me, bro. Like I walked out I was carrying the thing of water, right? And this guy comes up in like this fucking SUV. This like Persian guy. He has like the rolled up sleeves, striped shirt, gold chain, the X. Like he has like it was like a stereotype, bro. He came up. He gave me this beaten up ass fucking box, saying it's a Apple Watch tube or some shit. He said, brother, I got. I did not. I don't know what kind of. I don't know what was inside of there. I don't know if it was like a tracker or some shit. I don't know if it was just a fake or what. I don't know. Maybe it was. I don't want one regardless, right? I don't need one. But like, what the fuck was that, bro? Anyways, another thing I didn't mention is that the serial MP3 player is like completely independent of the CPU here. So you can do whatever the fuck on here while the song's playing on here, right? So, anyway, this has like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capability built in, so maybe I can also add some stuff here, right? But anyways, let's see it turn on. Oh, I should put my seatbelt on. I don't want to record myself breaking the law. Bro, it's like so fucking hot out here. All right. Play something. This is alright, let me back up here. Let me cut it here. I mean, it basically works as expected. I mean, because of the breadboard, the buttons are a little loose, so you just have to make sure you press down on them. But one thing I can do is like, I'll fix this first of all, so this actually works. So I can control the audio through here and not have to do it on the aux. Maybe like try organizing the songs in some way. I need to read more about the this card, right? I don't think I'm setting the right commands for the volume, and I think there's some other stuff that this website wasn't telling me. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I mean, it's the first actual embedded thing I ever did that wasn't like, because I made it in esp32, right, which is like the actual, like I did all like the UART communication between the controller and the card myself, because like Arduino and all that stuff like abstracts it away. But yeah, I did all that stuff, set up the entire like development environment and stuff. So I mean, it was pretty cool. I don't show off like enough like embedded shit on this channel, even though that's like what I plan on doing after college. But you know, that will change. I could probably add more stuff because I got a screen and I got another thing for the screen, so I can have like, maybe I can mount it up right here and I can have like some shit, maybe like set up a camera or something, I don't know, right? But overall it turned out like pretty good, right? So if I forget to add anything, I might add it in like post. But for now.